Hi guys, today welcome to my vlog. Today we are going to show how to change the theme of your keyboard, like this. Like you're going. Wait. You're going. Nope. Okay. This.
So ngayon po, mayroon pong panos dito. Kaya na po kasi pa-A.
Like this, that I don't like. I don't even like the heart and the clouds already. I want to change it already, and yeah, I want to go. You're going to settings, and you're going to search settings. You're going to G and keyboard, and you're going to theme, and you see that you have lots of choices to theme like that. The stupid things, yes, and you will add these stupid things, and you'll click it. Actually, if you say so, you want to. The one in the middle, it's my favorite.
Welcome to your word in your head.
Like that.
Like that. Yeah, putang ina mo, gago.
That is only a joke, guys. Don't believe her. It's only a joke. It's only a joke, guys. Don't believe her. She's not even already. I don't know. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're only 5 years. You're only 10 years old.
Baba, I'm 18.
Don't tell that it's a bad word. Okay, after you're changing, go to skip night. Guys, don't believe her. I'm a girl. That is like hi and if you like that or that's all. And there's a plot twist how to make your your stop it, to make your keyboard with the sound already, like this, like that. There's a sound already. And first we're going to keyboard like that. Go to preference, and you're going to sound on key press. There you go. And you want to do it like, what is your measuring of it? I want to measure 100. And okay, and you're gonna do with the sound. And that's all. Bye guys. Go.
Bye guys. Hello, Tite.
Okay, bye guys. Bye mga heart.